Hello guys, I'm back with an example again of geometrical optics, and this time there is a fact that if a man of height h, let's suppose there is a man of height h, capital H, there it is its head, these are eyes, and this is foot of the man. This is the height of the man. So you can consider this arrow as an virtual man. This is head, this is eyes, and this is foot. And there is a plane mirror. I've kept a plane mirror, and the height of the plane mirror is h. And this is the minimum possible height of the plane mirror, which is required to form the complete image of the man in the mirror. And we are drawing the ray diagram. So this is the ray diagram. A ray which is coming from head strikes one of the end of the mirror and is being reflected at same angle I, and this ray, reflected ray, comes into the eyes of the man, so he would be able to see the head. Now another ray which is coming from the foot of the mirror strikes the other end of the mirror and is being reflected at same angle. In this diagram, you might see that these two angles are not equal. So don't go on the diagram. I am assuming that these angles are equal, and if I can correct this diagram, so it would be slightly longer and ray would be coming like that. So you can assume that these two angles are equal. We are not measuring them by D, obviously. So the angle I dash and this angle I dash is equal, and a ray coming from the foot is being reflected from this end and is going to the eyes here. Now you can see that these two angles I and I are equal, hence this distance x, if it is x, then it is also equal to x, so it is 2x. Now if these angles I dash and I dash are equal, then this distance y is also equal to this distance y. Again I am stating that the diagram illustrates that this y is slightly smaller than this y, but you can assume that these two are equal. So the height of the man, this height h, is equal to 2x plus y. This is 2x and this is 2y. So height of the man is equal to 2x plus y, and the height of the mirror, minimum height of the mirror, is x plus y, and this x plus y is also equal to h upon 2. So here is the fact that if a man wishes to see his complete image in the plane mirror, then the minimum height of the plane mirror should be half of the height of the man. So, if a man wishes to see his complete image in the plane mirror, then the minimum height of the plane mirror should be half of the height of the man. If the height of the plane mirror is greater than this height, then also the man would be able to see his complete image. But if the height of the plane mirror is lesser than this height, then the man would not be able to see the complete image of himself. Okay guys, thank you. And you can also prove this concept by this diagram. Okay, so keep watching and keep tuned. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.